Hi there, welcome to today's video. Today's video we are hopefully going to be finishing the rear end, then we can crack on and join it to the front and put the doors in, etc. So that's the plan anyway. Hopefully that's how far we get. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please hit that thumbs up button, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. Many thanks. It's got 8 by 12, gives us a bit of room. What I'm thinking is put that in the vise like so, give it tight, and it should hopefully tighten up and hopefully squeeze it in the middle. I think that is what it did. And then the next half bit is going that way. To do that without, I think I need to put a slot down the middle. Then yeah, I think that's not bad. Probably can't quite see that on there, but I think we got a curve just about right. I'm just going to get one tacked on, I think, and go from there. See what we got. Quite a bit of trial and error, mainly error, but we get there eventually. I think we got that tacked in just about the right place, but now we just got to perfect this curvature a bit. Let's go with that for now. Give it some taps and see what we get going. Right, now let's get all that ground down. It's going to be quite a bit of grinding on this one. I think that this bit here is spot on, so I think we're going to weld something across there to stop it from moving. That's pretty stiff. So let's cut that, put that in there. Should hold that right, and you can see that curve is quite nice against that. You can see how well that's gone. Quite happy with that. Now I just need to do the same at the other end. Stick in another bit. Same reason. That should hold that in place. Again, you can see that's not too bad. Put a bar or something in there. Give it a smack on there. Hopefully that will curve to where I want it to be. Not much more. Okay, let's put him on there. There, so welding that on there should give me some wiggle room to make the bend over, so it doesn't look too rubbishy. I think I'm going to add some strips on here like so, just to make it a bit easier to do, just like I've done there. Same over here, you know, make a bit of curving space, grinding space. Get that tacked in. Let's make that curved. Alright, now I just need to get a plate to go across there. Okay, let's weld that in. So that's welded on there. So there we have it for today. That's the rear end done. Just go perfect that a little bit better, obviously. Get the doors on, join it all together. But I think that's coming along quite nicely. I'm quite happy with the rear end as well. It's got some nice curve in there. Nice curve here. Yeah, here. Pretty sure it looks symmetrical.